Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It is Sunday, so that means it's time for another week's weigh-in. All right, well, it is Sunday. It has been a week, and hopefully everybody is starting to adjust to our new lives, because if you're like Missouri, it's going on until the end of the month. You know, quarantine and stay in shelter order and all that jazz. So it's been an adjustment. I thought I had figured out my life and thought I had figured out how to stay on track as far as losing weight. And I have behaved. I've behaved food-wise. I've not gone over my points. I've stayed within my point range. I have behaved. But I stepped on the scale, and it doesn't look like I behaved. I am 319.4 pounds. I'll put the numbers here. 319.4. So that means I gained 2.8 pounds this week. And I don't know why. Normally, I can look back at a week and look at all the food that I tracked, see if there's stuff that's, could be water retention causing or sodium or whatever, too many carbs for that matter. And I can think of a reason. I can find out a reason for a gain, especially such a large gain of 2.8 pounds. I can't think of anything right now, guys. I did well food-wise. I had a ton of fruits and vegetables. I only had lean meats if I had lean meats. I did eat more rice than usual, so maybe that's a thing. I don't know. I'm trying to stay positive about it, but I'm not gonna lie, this time it's really bugging me. And I'm trying to not let it. It's 1 week. I know a month from now, I won't even care or remember this weigh-in. But it's bugging me. It's bugging me really, really hard. I don't like not knowing why. The only thing that I can think of is lack of exercise. I was losing weight well before I started exercising, but I worked. And it was easy. I would easily get 10,000 steps in a day at work and then still do more outside of that on my way, at home and stuff. So I could easily do 12 to even 16,000 steps. And now I'm averaging like 6,000. So that is the only thing that I can think of is my body is used to burning calories and burning fuel at a certain rate because of how much my body is doing versus how much my body was getting. Now, my body is getting less, or getting the same amount of energy in, but not the same amount of energy out. That's the only thing that I can think of, but it's not like I'm just sitting in my chair all day. Like, I don't know how you guys, I'm trying to be more motivating than this. I will soon. But I don't know how you guys that are retired or work from home get your activity in. I clean. I make sure I get up and walk like once an hour. I move around. When I can, I go outside for a walk with the dogs. And when I do that, it's like 2 or 3 miles. And even on those days, I still will, say the 3-mile day, still barely hit 10,000 steps. I don't know how you guys do it without work being the steps. So anyway, go lay down. Sorry, she's being nosy. So I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna maybe hope that it is just a random fluke this week and I have a bigger loss next week, but who knows? So far, this whole quarantine, basically, I have not lost anything for 3 weeks because tiny gain, lost what I gained, then I just gained it all back. Don't know why. So sorry this is like a Debbie Downer video. Sometimes life's gonna be that way, guys, sorry. But yeah, So that is that. And it's also going to be really, really short because I have nothing else to say until I wrap my head around this, and I have a really bad headache. And talking this loud with my headache right here is kind of annoying. So, yeah, I will post another video when I'm in a better mood, when my headache's gone, and I will have a plan of action for the rest of the week. Basically, I want to move more. That's my only plan of action. Need to exercise more. So yeah, that's what I got. Hopefully you guys do have a wonderful week. I am sorry again for being a Debbie Downer today. It's just really, really bugging me. I've said that enough. Please comment, make me feel better. Like my video, subscribe if you haven't yet. This is probably a video that's gonna make you want to subscribe though, but whatever. Anyway, until my next video, when I will be in a better mood, I promise, I will talk to you guys later.